What's up, Just Guy Squad? Today we are gonna be unboxing birthday mystery box. And if you're wondering why we called it birthday, it's because it's my birthday today. So I'm just gonna get it on it. Ooh. Yay! I got Soggy Doggy.
Soggy Doggy.
I got this tiny present right here.
Ding dong! You got a birthday present.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's a tiny glass ball. It has a little stand.
Can I see?
I was expecting it to be bigger. This is way too tiny. In the computer, it looks really, really big.
If you hear this in the background, it's my dog.
If you're wondering why I opened number 2, that was an accident. This is number 1. Yay! This is gonna be hard to get out. It's an oven where you're able to cook stuff in the oven, make coffee, or cook stuff on the stove if you want to. You can take it out too.
So you can cook an egg on it.
Yep.
You can make coffee on it.
Mm-hmm.
You can make biscuits in it.
Yeah.
You can make tacos in it.
Okay. Make a present. This is not part of it. That's just a blanket that my mom put in there. Whoa. Oh, it's a tiny safe. It's a little tiny safe component. I put the money from the top and then I have to get a code. And I don't know. Maybe the code is in here. I have a mini projector. Okay, bye.